Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete plants and grow a garden to game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to delete plants or remove a plant from your garden, basically you can use shovel. And for this shovel guys, you will automatically get this item after you have been part of the grow a garden game, so it's free. And then you're going to select the plant that you want to remove or that you want to delete. For instance, I'm going to delete this blueberry, so we can click on the blueberry like this. Sorry, we need to tap and hold on it. Tap and hold, and you'll see this question: dig this up. The shovel will permanently remove this from your garden. You won't get it back. So yeah, just click on dig it up and your plant will be removed. Okay, let's try it one more time. Tap and hold on the plant, and the plant will be removed from the garden. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Tap and hold, and yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can remove plants from your garden or delete plants from your garden and grow a garden 2 game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!